Oh my God, I'm very, very excited for today kasi I finally got my new MacBook Air M4 15 inches fully paid. Tsaka, fully paid. So, ayan, oh my God, sorry. I've been eyeing this laptop for a while and I think that I really, really need a new laptop kasi yung unang laptop ko na MacBook is binenta ko siya kasi feeling ko nababagalan ako dahil. And later on, sabi ko sa sarili ko ulit na kailangan ko ng laptop ulit na bago. So, we got this mga sis and it's brand new and it's sealed. So, ang ating palang order is, ang ating nakuhang unit is the 16 GB 256 storage and this is, I believe, the 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU. I'm so excited! So now let's open it. Huwag na nating patagalin dahil I am not really a techie, what you call it? I'm not a techie vlogger or something. But I just want to share you guys. I just want to document this moment of my life kung saan nakabili ako ng bagay na gusto ko. That I work hard for it. Yun. So this is not to brag, but this is more like to inspire people na if you really want it, work hard para ma-achieve mo yung gusto mong bilhin. Okay? So, let's peel off. Oh my gosh. Okay. Very satisfying talaga pag-apple, guys. So, where? Okay, let's do it. This is the blue variant pala. Ano pa ano? Basta blue. Okay. So, throw it away. So, the first thing that you will see is the unit, of course, the laptop. Ayan, so. Oh my God. Pero itatabi ko muna siya. At tingnan natin yung mga laman. Yung mga ibang laman lang nasa box. So, inside is a braided cable. Okay, so ito yung, dito will be the charger. Ayan. MagSafe, of course. And I like it kasi it's still braided. Like, I think from M2, braided na siya. And next, we have some paper Kineso. I'm not sure if they still provide the sticker. Wala nang sticker. Wala na siyang sticker na kasama. Okay. Okay, ang bango. And of course, the charger brick. This is how the charger brick look like. Ayan. And the good thing about this is meron siyang dalawang plug. Meron siyang dalawang, ano tawag dyan? Socket, I don't know what you call it, but I like it kasi there are two, so you can finally put two to a USB Type-C. And wala na. Now, next is we need to open the unit. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look. Hindi ko alam kung makikita yung blue, but I don't even see any blue. Figure out tomorrow. I will try kasi it's already night here in Dubai. Now it's, I don't know what the time now. I think it's already 8 in the evening. So now we need to open now the laptop. Let's do it. There you go. That is very satisfying when you are removing this. So, ayan, nagbo-boot na siya. We just need to wait for a few minutes. Ayan, mag-hello na siya, sis. Oh my God. Oh my God! I'm so kilig! Look at that. Like, it says hello. It says hello. Oh my gosh. I know I'm so dramatic right now, but girl, come on. Okay, now we need to select the language. So I will select English. Isa-set up ko lang to. Okay, after selecting English. Okay. Now we need to select the country or region. Okay, not now. Okay, let me try this. I just need to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Oh my God, what's taking so long? So, set up ko lamang siya, then I will be right back. Now it says welcome to Mac. So eto na siya. Now we just need to continue, hit the continue, and there you go. Okay na ang anyang na-set up na natin siya. Now I just wanted to test out some things like the camera, the speed, and also the speaker. So let me try to go to YouTube, for example, or any music. Okay, let's do it. Oh my God, the keyboard, darling. And by the way, this is the max brightness na pala. I know it's nighttime, so not sure. So let's play something. So mag-play at tayo ng something like maybe SB19.
Hello. Everyone's on Dubizzle. Are you?
Try to listen to the speaker. I will max out the speaker.
Properties, 40 million views, 1 million buyers and sellers every month.
Wow.
Everyone's on Dubizzle property. Are you?
Save up to 35% energy on all programs with Beko Energy Spin and Aerial Pods.
Wow. Oh my God, speaker pa lang yun, te. Sagad-sagad. So yeah, that ends my unboxing video. I will do a separate video later on how it performs in daily basis, mga ganon. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you like it. I know medyo maarte ako today because sino ba naman hindi maarte pag MacBook ang ina-unbox mo, Zai? When I unbox my iPhone, just kukulang na lang maglusay-say ako sa sobrang saya. Gaya. So, thank you so much. And thank you, Lord, for all this blessing. And I hope na whoever watches this will also be granted their wishes na sana magkaroon din sila ng kung ano man yung hinahangad nila. So, I love you so much, guys. Thank you so much again. Mwah!